If you want to show off your clothing pieces but don't have a model to wear them, you have definitely come to the right place. I've said it before and I will say it again, CapCut AI has made the impossible possible and I'm totally here for it. If you resell clothing online, own a boutique, or are starting any sort of fashion business, you need to use CapCut's AI Fashion Model. With this tool, you can create incredible e-com images in mere moments. It is so cool. But before I show you the AI Fashion Model tool, are you subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel? We post tutorials and product updates all the time that you definitely don't want to miss. Okay, now let me show you everything. AI Fashion Model is right here on CapCut's desktop app, so click through and you'll see this page. Here you can upload an image of your clothing item and select your model. My image is literally just a picture that I took with my phone of the dress on my bed. No rocket science required. You can see here that there are a bunch of recommended AI models just below that. The model you choose, of course, depends on what the clothing item is and what the look and feel of your brand is. If you want to keep it simple with a white background and a full body shot of your model, that's here for you. If you have a sweatshirt or t-shirt with a design on the back that you want to show off, there is a model for that too. Personally, I'm obsessed with all of the pet models here. I love that CapCut thought of that because pet items need e-commerce images as well, and they're so cute. You can also choose something a bit more natural and unposed, like this image of a model sitting in her truck with her dog, or this man walking down the street. We've got some athletic images here and holiday models. You can go with a big city look or a small town feel. It's actually amazing how many choices you have here. But if you don't see anything you like, you can always use AI to create a fashion model from scratch or even upload images of the models you'd like to use. For this little athletic dress I've uploaded, I'm gonna prompt CapCut's AI to create a custom model just for me. Much like any other AI prompt, the more specific I am here, the better output I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna specify what my model looks like, how they're posed, what the lighting looks like, and where they are to ensure that I get who I want. Here's my prompt. A female model with dark brown skin and braided hair posed in front of a white brick wall. The lighting is bright with a clean aesthetic. Full body shot. I can adjust the aspect ratio here, so I'll do that first, and then let's generate. In less than a minute, I have my model just as I pictured her in a few different poses. From here, depending on the clothing item, you'll want to select which pose works best. Keep in mind, you can select multiple poses, so this isn't tedious. You don't have to redo this for each e-com photo. Since this is a shorter dress, I think I'm gonna go with a 3/4 length pose here. I think it feels very natural and it's gonna look great with my dress. Now that I've finalized which pose I wanna go with, I'll generate my AI e-com image. I mean, this is wild. She's wearing my dress. From here, I can save my image and go about my day, or transform this still image into a video to better show my audience how the dress moves and how they might look when they wear it in real life. When I click the Generate Video button, it opens the classic CapCut desktop editor. Here, I can choose which movement I want my model to make. There are a few different categories here: trending, dress, female, male, leggings, and so on. Don't worry about this being a different model than the one I picked earlier. This is just a little preview so that you know what to expect before generating your finished video. And you don't have to stick to these specific categories if you don't want to. A lot of these poses work across categories, so just click on the ones you're interested in, take a look at the movement, and it just might apply to what your clothing item is. You might find a pose in the leggings category that works for a dress. You might like a male movement for a female model. It all depends on what your vision is for your e-com video. Before we wrap this up, I want to show you another example of the AI fashion model in use for a different kind of product. I also want to show you just how well this works, even if your photo of the clothing item isn't great. This is the photo I'm using for this one. We're gonna do a clothing item that only partially covers the model, so it's a little bit more complex than a dress, and this photo is kind of awful, honestly. There's a lot going on in the background and it's super busy. Let's see if the AI fashion model can handle it. Spoiler alert, it can. I'll upload my shorts here and then select my model. For this one, I'm gonna upload a photo of myself so that I can be the model in my e-com image. This is just a full body digital that I took for work. Now let's generate and watch the magic happen. The wheels are already turning. I'm putting my dog Junebug on here next. Look how good this looks, oh my gosh. It modified my outfit so that I'm wearing my shorts. Honestly, think about about how useful this would be for online shopping too. I could just put my photo in here, upload an e-com image, and have a full try-on session without ever leaving my couch. I know, I'm giving you great ideas. It's pretty remarkable what CapCut's AI Fashion Model can do. I mean, I have a little online clothing shop that's about to get a major upgrade, and I'm super excited for it. What are you gonna use the AI Fashion Model for? Shout out your business in the comments so that we can all support. You should definitely download the CapCut mobile and desktop apps too for obvious reasons. There are so many useful AI tools just like this that will upgrade your content tremendously. I'm so excited to see what you'll create, and I'll catch you later. Bye.